Hello, Honors Biology students. In this screencast, we're going to go over biology basics on Google Classroom. So where to find things, how to answer do now, where assignments are, and so on. So for today, I'm going to pretend that I'm in period 6. If you're not in period 6, don't worry, all of the rest of the classrooms look exactly the same. But I'm going to use that as our example for today. Another quick thing to think about is that the one I am working off of is teacher view, so you may not have everything on your screen that I see on mine. So first of all, once you go to Google Classroom and you've logged in, just a reminder, to log in to our Google Classroom, you need to use your student email address and you need to use your password, which is the same as the password you use to sign onto the computer. So once you get into Google Classroom, and you can get there by going to https://classroom.google.com. So once you get there and you've logged in, you should see your classes. So obviously all the classes that I see are the classes I teach, but on yours, if you have other classes that you've joined a classroom for, you should see those. So to get to biology, you're just going to click on your Honors Biology link, which should bring you to this page. Again, if you're not in period 6, yours will say period 2, period 3, or period 8 instead. So on this page, there's a couple of things you need to be aware of. First of all, over here there's this upcoming section, which shows you what things are due and when. So this is due Thursday, which we'll say is tomorrow, and I'll talk to you about what that is in a second. Also on this page, on the stream page, if I have any announcements or things that I've posted recently, you'll be able to see what it is that I have done. Finally, on this page, you should see a section that says About. If you click on that, it has my information, contact information. It also has information on how to sign up for Remind, which we signed up for in class the second day of school. So again, if you want to do that, you get a new phone, you didn't do it in class because you didn't have your phone with you, that information is all right here if you click on that About link. So again, this first page, the stream page, is basically updates, announcements, what you have due, what's coming up. The Classwork page is the page that you are going to spend the most time on in my class. So for most things, you're going to go to the heading that is appropriate. So if I'm having you answer a do now, you'll go to the do now section. If you are working in Unit 1, you'll go to the Unit 1 section and you'll grab your materials from there. So right now, let's first take a look at our do now. So let's say I gave you a do now at the beginning of class that you had to actually go on Google Classroom and answer the question. So this is our first question. It's, how was your summer? In order to answer it, you'd click on the actual question, and then I can only view question because I wrote it, but you have a button that would say answer question. You'd click on it, type the question, submit it, and you'd be done. If you had an assignment, like this guy up here, the Lego activity that we're going to do in class tomorrow, you would click on the activity. Again, you'll have an open assignment button. If I have any directions, I'd put them right here. You'd open the assignment and work on it. The last super important thing on this page is my calendar. So under this heading where it says class information and calendar, you'll see a link that says Honors Biology Calendar. This is going to be here all year. If you want to look at our calendar of what we're doing every single day, you can click on that Honors Biology Calendar link and then click on the assignment. That's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you can see our agendas for every single day. So you'll see that on Monday, we had a welcome. I took attendance and gave you a seating chart. We did Saving Sammy. We did the writing activity with Saving Sammy. And then your homework here. As we go through the year, I will update the following days. Usually, I have them done a week at a time. At the very least, they will be done the day of. As the months go on, I will hide these, but you'll be able to see them if you click on the all sheets and you can go back to certain months. So the calendar is going to be a really useful thing for you. You can access that either at home if you're absent to see what you missed, or I'm going to have you access that in class quite a bit because sometimes I'll put links to certain websites that I want you to go to or whatever on that calendar. And that's pretty much it as far as Google Classroom goes. If you have any questions about Classroom and the features I'm going to be using, feel free to ask me in class. We're going to go over this one of the days this first week of school just to make sure you understand how to use it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.